Welcome to my channel Crochet Skills. In today's video you will learn a very easy stitch, that is crochet granny spike stitch. So we will start with the slip knot in multiples of 4 plus 1. I am doing chain 21. So now let's start. Into the 5th chain from the hook I will work 3 double crochets. 3 double crochets in the same stitch. Then chain 1. Skip 3 stitches from the foundation chain and work 3 double crochets into this 4th chain. 1, 2 and 3. For a double crochet we will just yarn over, go into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull it through 2 and pull it through 2, chain 1. Again skip 3. Into the 4th one I will work 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1. Just skip 2, 3 stitches. Into the 4th one work 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1. Skip 3. As you can see I have 4 chains left. 3 and into the 4th one I will work 2 double crochets into this last stitch. Okay, row 1 is completed. So this is how row 1 would look like. Chain 2 and turn. Watch very carefully. Into this chain 1 space I will work a double crochet, yarn over, go into this foundation chain, the central chain of chain 3 and work a long double crochet. Then work a chain 1. Then work a double crochet into this chain 1 space. Watch very carefully. Chain 1, I will repeat one more time. Into this chain 1 space, that is here, work a double crochet. Then yarn over, go into this foundation chain. As you can see there are 3 chains. Into this central one I will just insert the hook, pull up a long loop, pull it through 2 and pull it through 2. So this is a long double crochet, and this combination of 3 double crochets would called a spike stitch. So I will repeat it till the end. I just repeated it. Now I will show you how to do the last stitch. Just work a chain 1 and into this chain 1 space I will work 2 double crochets. So round 2 is completed. Chain 2 and turn. Into this chain 1 space I will work a double crochet. Then into this central stitch I will work a long double crochet again. Just pull a long loop and work a double crochet. Then into this chain 1 space work a double crochet. Chain 1. As you can see my edges are straight, so it's a treat for the beginners because there are very less chances for mistakes. Again into chain 1 space work a double crochet, and into the central double crochet of previous row work a long loop double crochet and 1 double crochet into chain 1 space. So this is how we will repeat till the end. Then I will show some more rounds. So this is how it will look at the end. I hope you have liked it. So it's very easy. As you can see it looks so beautiful. You can use it for blankets. It's the best stitch for blankets for beginners because there is very less chances for mistakes and the edges are straight. There will be no problem. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe Crochet Skills and click the bell icon Please don't forget to like and share my videos. If you have any query, please ask me in comments. Your feedback is so valuable. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.